Good day, community. Our character trait for today is responsibility. What is the meaning of being responsible? Being responsible means to do what is expected of me and I do it well. That means I'm growing up. Can't you tell? Where can you find this character trait? This character trait is found in Luke chapter 16, verse 10. He who is faithful in little things will also be faithful with much. This character trait is shown in the story about the helpful sister. Now let me tell you the story. The new ruler of Egypt worried that God's people might get stronger than his people. "Throw all the newborn baby boys into the river," he said. What a crazy thing to do! Mothers thought so too. So they hid their babies, and Pharaoh's soldiers couldn't find any of them. One mother thought of a clever way to save her baby. She made a floating bag. "I'll watch my baby brother," said Miriam. Miriam did not let anything distract her from being a responsible sister to her little brother. She hid in the reeds as the basket rocked in the ripples. She kept a close watch from a distance. The baby woke up. "Wah!" he cried. "What's that noise?" said the princess as she took a swim. "Don't cry. You'll be safe with me, and I'll name you Moses." Then Miriam interrupted. "Excuse me, miss. Do you need a babysitter?" "I know the perfect one," she said, then dashed off to get her mother. That's the end of our story. How can we be responsible as kids? First, we can clean our toys after playing, even if we are not asked to. Second, we can do our daily routine like brushing our teeth, even if we are not reminded. Lastly, we should do our schoolwork on time, without frequent reminders from our parents. Again, the character trait for today is responsibility. And be reminded that being responsible is not just about doing the task, it's about doing the task well. Have a wonderful day. Shalom!